Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and install your side mirror glass on a Honda CRV. Now if you just need to remove the glass, then it's not necessary to take the mirror off the vehicle, but I am changing out this mirror with a salvage junkyard mirror, so I will be transferring it all over to a new mirror. But if you're just doing the glass, then you can just leave your mirror on the car. And if you're looking to where to buy new glass, you can get it on Amazon, and I will also link to that in the description below. And so we're going to push the mirror glass towards the vehicle. And then when you look in the side there, you can see there is a white mounting plate, and then there's the mirror glass that mounts onto that plate. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take our flathead and we're going to go on the bottom of that glass, and we're going to kind of pry out on the off of the mirror plate, and it will unclip the bottom of the mirror. And there's two clips on the bottom, and so you want to get both of those unsnapped with the screwdriver. And then once both of those are loose, you can rotate the glass up, and then it just pulls off. And those upper clips, those are kind of like hooks that just hook onto that white base. And then after we get that off, you want to we have to unplug the glass, and you can mark which wire goes where on the glass, so that way you remember. But honestly, I don't think it matters. You can plug either wire on either side and it should work just fine. We can go ahead and put our glass back on, and to do that we are going to we're going to plug it in. And then we're going to slide those hooks to the top of the white base. We're going to slide those into place and then rotate it down, and then take both hands and press it in. And you want to work the glass around with both hands, pressing in around the whole glass and make sure it's all snapped in. And then go ahead and push it the other way and check it. Maybe pull on a little bit, make sure it's all snapped in. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your mirror glass. Thanks for watching.